If you are struggling with lower back pain, despite doing all of the right things, the stretches, the exercises, then there's a good chance that you could be making one of these 3 mistakes. And it's not your fault. I see this all the time, especially with people over 40. We have jobs, we have families, kids. Eventually, we start to prioritize other people and other things rather than looking after ourselves. So in today's video, I'm going to explain the 3 mistakes that you could be making and what you can do about it to get your back feeling better. So mistake number 1, when you are in pain, you might be doing some rest, you might be doing some gentle movements, some stretches, some exercises, taking anti-inflammatories, all of the things that you need to be doing to calm that pain down. But eventually the pain calms down and we start to forget about it. And that's when you stop doing all of the right things and just let your back be. Now, when the pain has gone, that is not the end of the problem. That is actually literally just the beginning. When pain is gone, it doesn't mean that the problem has been fixed. What we need to start doing is to start strengthening. And this is such an important step. And it's the step that most people miss out. So mistake number 1 is stopping when the pain has gone. Mistake number 2, when you've had pain, you will naturally start protecting your back because you don't want that pain to come back. So you start changing the way you behave, the way you move, the way you pick things up. You start bending with a stiff back. You protect yourself, you brace yourself every time you try and do something simple, like pick something off the floor, tie your shoes. So your back naturally becomes stiffer over time. You lose that range of motion and your back just becomes this one solid block of mass. And I see this a lot with a lot of my older patients. Their backs are so stiff, they've lost function. Now the reality is you don't need to protect your back more. You actually need to use it more. But obviously it needs to happen in a structured and methodical way. Your back is a structure that's designed to have load going through it. It supports your entire trunk. Now, if your back isn't functioning properly, then the rest of you is not going to function properly. You can't ignore the function. You can't ignore the strength in your back. So you don't need to protect your back more. You actually need to use it more. You need to strengthen it. You need to prepare your back for life's daily tasks. So mistake number 2 is protecting your back so much that it becomes deconditioned and stiff. Now this last one is for those of you who are actually doing exercises and stretches. Mistake number 3 is doing the same exercises and stretches for months or years without progression. The whole point of rehab is for your back to get stronger. Now if you're doing the same thing constantly for months or years, you're going to only get your back to a certain level of ability and it's never going to be able to do more. So your capacity has built up to a certain level, but still anytime life brings more than what your back can handle, it's still going to flare up. The problem with many rehab exercises or plans is that they are not progressive enough and they only start with the basic exercises, things like your bird dogs, cat and cows, clamshells, all of the really basic stuff that only gets you from 0 to 1 and doesn't get you as far as 10. So mistake number 3 is not progressing your rehab enough. So look, if your lower back pain keeps coming back despite doing all of the right things, then it's probably not your fault. It's not that you're getting older. It's not that you're unlucky. It's probably that you just haven't been given a clear structured path or rehab plan that gets you from where you are now to having a stronger back. So if you want a clear 3-phase roadmap, then you can download my free ebook, The Recurring Back Pain Blueprint, just here. You can scan the QR code or you can get it from the link in the description below. It will literally walk you through what you need to do in each of the 3 phases. The 3 phases are to calm, to improve, to build. Phase 1 is about calming the pain and inflammation. Phase 2 is about improving your flexibility and mobility. And then phase 3, and the most important phase, is to build strength and stability. This ebook will literally take you through everything that you need to know to help your back improve. So go and grab the ebook and I'll see you in the next video.